All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm here with another exciting, delightful, and much interesting video here. So this video is coming from Very Dark Man VDM. You all know him, and he is talking about a Sowore claim of October 20, 2025, that the protest of storming Aso Rock and requesting for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And trust me, it has been long overdue. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has stayed in detention custody for a very long time. He has been there since as early as 2021 up till this day. That's like over 4 years. And it's been one court trial or the other back to back. Now, finally, Sowore said he's going to drop every political beef he had with any politician from the east side of Nigeria or anywhere who will join efforts with him to ensure the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And yes, Atiku Abubakar had decided that he is going to also join Sowore on this protest. But so far, so good. We've been hearing a lot of our Igbo leaders saying they are working tirelessly to see that the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is being done. But yet, none of them has responded to either joining Sowore for the march or even see the efforts they are putting to bring out his release. Well, Very Dark Man had a lot to say concerning this. He made a lot of claims, made a lot of accusations. I really just want you guys to listen to everything he said in this video, and by so doing, make your own contribution in the comment section, guys.
I see Omoyele Sowore, they organized protest for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and surprisingly, Atiku Abubakar also say we are marching together on the 20th of October. We are marching to Aso Rock to demand the release of Nnamdi Kanu. It has been long overdue, to be very, very honest, because it is pure injustice. Now, in the north, you don't give amnesty and you set up a peace deal with terrorists where enter villages by people. Do you understand? These people where they buy include Nigerian army, Nigerian police, air force, navy, our military men. These people don't buy them. These people are proper mercenaries where get guns. They're involved in kidnapping. They go enter villages, carry young girls from the age of 10 up, from the age of 9, 10 up. They'll pack them, enter inside bush. They'll sleep with those girls. They go knock their forceful entry. Some of them go born inside that bush. Those children now, they'll come raise them again to be terrorists. And at the end of the day, these people when are supposed to buy, when I bring them, give them peace deal, when I give them amnesty. Then on the other hand, there's a guy called Nnamdi Kalu. Well, when I say when I carry for treasonable offense, when I say in they instigate violence, you understand? And you say he said a couple of things, right? But guess what? This one no do waiting those other ones too, but you keep him for prison. Do you understand? What are you keeping him for? And most of the things you are alleging that he said does not have proof. That is why when I never be prosecutor I'm up to now. When I still the debate for court for over how many years. But this is number one. Number two, you see, a lot of you don't know that this Nnamdi Kanu matter has a lot to do with some politics that is not politics. In what sense? 50% of the people keeping Nnamdi Kanu in detention is actually some of the Igbo elites. Some of the big business Igbo men that don't want him to come out, right? It's not just the government alone. Some of the big business Igbo men, because they see it as, if this guy comes like this, our business is under threat. Because his fights, if these fights continue, bro, it's going to be a problem for us. I don't know if you understand. That's why you see that the big business Igbo men, they will not put their mouths, they will not lend their voice for Nnamdi Kanu. See him as even their media spaces have been controlled, right, by this elite. You shouldn't talk about Nnamdi Kanu or talk about his release. Do you understand? Now when we say they won't go protest now when I Sowore, if any Igbo won't try to join, it gets media team where they don't set up. Those media team will just go online, go to right, say they are planning to set the Igbos up so that if they go and protest, they go by them. They want to reduce the numbers of the Igbos. They want to. That's what you see all over social media. Sowore has been used so that you will draw the Igbos out. Let the government. I will expect that to come soon. The Ohaneses. This guy have been in prison for over how many years? Other people will do worse than waiting that they allege them, that they give them peace deal, that they free them, maybe they go their house. But this guy man dey for sale. But anyways, 20th is the date. Oh no, dey Naija. 20th is the date. For me personally, what am I trying to say? From my own angle, right? It's simple. It's injustice against him. If you are giving people peace deal, for people that do bigger crimes, he deserves a peace deal as well. Yes, leave him alone. Free him. Let him go back to his people. It's as easy as ABCD. Free him. So, I'm not gonna go. Anyways, peace and love. Don't play. If you play, go and learn, or you will learn the hard way.
First of all, one of the biggest thing I picked out of what Very Dark Man said in this video, this 4-minute video of his that he just made, is the claim where he said that very soon a certain group of social media debaters from the eastern part of Nigeria will start telling you that don't go outside to protest for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that it is another way to push the Igbo outside to get them killed and all that blah blah blah. Trust me, whether you go out or you don't go out, it did not stop the killing that has been going on in the eastern part of Nigeria. It did not stop the kidnapping that has been going on in the eastern part of Nigeria. So you either fight for a cause and get it delivered, or you let it be. And letting it be it has been pending for more than 4 years and counting now. Look at the guys in the north. People who come for a peace talk meeting with ammunition, live ammunition, and those ammunition are not even taken from them by the government. The government allowed them to bring those ammunition and still allow them to take those ammunition back to themselves. By themselves. Take those same ammunition back to the bush. Nobody questioned them. Nobody said anything. Nothing was done. And then somebody who you're accusing him for treason and all of that, that what he said this, he said that for the past 4 good years, there have not been any concrete evidence to prove or, prosecute this guy and say, okay, we found you worthy of this crime. We find you worthy of this crime. This is the reason why you are going to prison. This is the reason why you are going to prison. All those years. It's beginning to feel like truly, yes, there are some big top Igbo billionaires who are actually sitting behind and they are like, yo, if we allow this guy come outside and he continue to push this narrative, this whole thing might backfire and turn against us and our businesses will suffer for it. Trust me, the Igbos are very good with business. But when it comes to the core value of who we are in this Nigeria, we are diminishing it day by day in terms of this same business talk. And it is not fair. It is not funny. Let's cut a spade a spade. Trust me, the level of kidnapping going on in the southeast can actually be stopped with just one day. It can be stopped. But because of all this, if we go out and talk, this one will happen, that one will happen, everybody is inciting fear on the minds of people who are actually supposed to speak. Well, let's see how it goes on October 2020. Let's see how the whole protest will go, if it will resolve to the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu or it will not resolve to that. In the comment section, I would like to hear your thoughts. Please share that in the comment section. Let's know what you think about this whole video. Don't forget to subscribe.